Welcome back. I always say I'm an Amazon product reviewer first, and a video editor second. My goal is simple: to use my experience to help you find exactly what you need. If you're hunting for the best golf bags, you are in the perfect place. Product number 1. Ask Echo T-Lock Golf Cart Bag. Oh man, are you guys ready for this? I'm so excited to kick off our list with the Ask Echo T-Lock Golf Cart Bag. I mean, this thing is a game changer. It's a premium golf cart bag designed with one thing in mind: making your golfing experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible. And from what I've seen, Ask Echo has totally nailed it. Just look at that 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 2,835 verified reviews. I mean, that's insane. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical at first, but after digging into all the features and reviews, I'm blown away. The T-Lock system is genius. It's essentially a high-tech locking mechanism that secures your bag to the cart, preventing it from shifting around or falling off. Trust me, this is a total lifesaver, especially on those bumpy courses. And let's not forget about the durability and quality of the bag itself. It's built to last with top-notch materials and craftsmanship. Wow, I'm seriously impressed. I mean, this thing is a beast. So if you're in the market for a new golf cart bag, do yourself a favor and check out the Ask Echo T-Lock Golf Cart Bag. I'm telling you, it's worth every penny. And hey, look, I've got a special link in the description with active discounts, so be sure to check it out and save some cash on this amazing product. Product number 2. Himal Outdoors Golf Travel Bag. So, I just reviewed the best golf ball set I've ever laid eyes on, and now I want to talk about something that's going to make your golf trip so much easier: the Himal Outdoors Golf Travel Bag. This thing is a beast. It's a game changer. Honestly, I don't know how you golf without it. It's a high-quality, durable bag designed to handle all your golfing essentials, from clubs to balls to tees. It's got multiple compartments, it's got dividers, it's got pockets for your shoes, your gloves, your snacks, your phone, everything. Look, as a golfer, you know how frustrating it can be to carry all your gear, and this bag makes it so easy, so convenient. It's like having your own personal golfing assistant. And don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews. This thing has an incredible 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 2,560 verified reviewers, which is just wow. I mean, that's a testament to its quality and performance. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And right now, I've got a link in the description to active discounts, so be sure to check that out and get yourself this amazing golf travel bag. It's a must-have for any serious golfer. Product number 3. Izzo Ultra Light Golf Stand Bag. Alright guys, next up I've got the Izzo Ultra Light Golf Stand Bag, and honestly, I'm really stoked to be reviewing this one. It's a total game changer. So if you're anything like me, you know how annoying it can be to lug around a heavy golf bag all day, but with the Izzo Ultra Light, trust me, that's a thing of the past. This thing is literally as light as a feather. It's a stand bag, so you can just set it down and let it stand on its own. Wow, the construction is top-notch too. It's got some really premium materials, and the stitching is flawless. I mean, I've seen guys out on the course with this bag, and it just blends in, you know? It's not flashy, but it's got a certain class to it. And the best part? It's got an insane rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,400 verified reviews. Can you believe it? People just love this bag, and for good reason. Look, I've used it myself, and it's hands down the most comfortable golf bag I've ever owned. I mean, it's got multiple pockets for all your gear, it's got a cool little rain cover, and the stand is super sturdy. It's just one of those bags that makes you go, why didn't I get this sooner? So, if you're in the market for a new golf bag, trust me, you need to check this one out. And, as a little bonus, if you head to the link in the description, I've got some active discounts available, so you can snag this bad boy for a steal. Product number 4. uniHimal Golf Cart Bag. Alright guys, so I just talked about the golf shoes, and now I'm moving on to something that's really going to take your golf game to the next level, and that's the uniHimal Golf Cart Bag. This thing is a beast. I mean, the name says it all, right? It's designed for high-altitude environments, specifically the Himalayan mountains, but trust me, it's perfect for anyone who wants a premium golf bag that can withstand the rough and tumble world of golf. And let me tell you, the reviews don't lie. This thing's got a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 1311 verified reviews, which is just wow. People are loving this bag, and I can see why. It's got multiple compartments, it's water resistant, it's got a cooler for your drinks and snacks. Honestly, it's like a mini fridge for your golf game. You can carry all your gear, keep everything organized, and stay hydrated and energized throughout your round. Look, I've been using this bag for a few weeks now, and I can confidently say it's one of the best golf bags I've ever used. It's sturdy, it's reliable, and it's just plain cool. Trust me, if you're in the market for a new golf bag, you owe it to yourself to check out the uniHimal Golf Cart Bag. And don't forget, I've got a link in the description below with active discounts, so be sure to click that and get ready to take your golf game to new heights. Product number 5. KDD Lightweight Golf Stand Bag with 7. Okay guys, so I've got another contender for the best golf stand bag out there, and I've got to say, I'm really excited to share this one with you. The KDD Lightweight Golf Stand Bag with 7. I mean, just look at that name, right? It's exactly what it says it is, folks. A super lightweight golf stand bag designed to make your game easier, more convenient, and overall just a whole lot more enjoyable. Honestly, who doesn't want that? So let's talk a bit about this baby, shall I? Now, I know what you're thinking. What makes this stand bag so special, right? Well, for starters, it's got a 7-foot length which allows you to stand up straight and walk freely around the course without worrying about your bag getting in the way. Trust me, that's a game changer. And don't even get me started on the weight. It's ridiculously lightweight, only 3.5 pounds, making it perfect for those long walks on the course. I mean, wow, that's like carrying a large water bottle, easy peasy. Now, what really caught my attention is the fact that it's got over 1,015 verified reviews and an insane 4.6 out of 5-star rating. That's some serious customer love, folks, and I've got to say, I'm not surprised. This bag really delivers on its promises, and the reviews speak for themselves. So, if you're in the market for a new golf stand bag that's both stylish and functional, look no further, this is the one. And as always, make sure to check the link in the description below for any active discounts, because trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide useful. Make sure to check the links below for the best current prices. See you in the next one.